All right, another Bill Stain song, one that isn't done too much, but one that I really love. It's a song about people breaking up, but not for some of the reasons you might normally think. It's kind of just the reasons that a lot of people end up breaking up. They just sort of grow apart over time and don't pay attention to each other in their relationship and just sort of let things fall apart.
Real. It's a real exciting song. No downers here.
But I like the song. It's called Bird in the Wind. Everybody ready? We never asked any questions. We never told any lies. In stony silence, we played by the rules. We never talked to each other. We never answered the cries. We tumbled down like a couple of fools. Now in the light of the morning and through the dark of the night, once in blindness, now I'm able to see. And I knew one thing for sure: when you walked out the door, you went and took all the heart out of me and left me spinning all around like a storm on the prairie, running circles like a horse in a pen, just as dry as a toad on an old dusty road, losing ground like a bird in the wind, losing ground like a bird in the wind. If we'd have seen down the distance, if we'd been quicker to learn that all the answers aren't given for free, and what you put on the table is what you get in return, we could have saved what now never will be. And when the day's lonely hours or the night's troubled dreams bring the feelings from old memories, then I know one thing for sure: when you walked out the door, you went and took the heart out of me and left me spinning all around like a storm on the prairie, running circles like a horse in a pen, just as dry as a toad on an old dusty road, losing ground like a bird in the wind, losing ground like a bird in the wind. You got me spinning all around like a storm on the prairie, running circles like a horse in a pen, just as dry as a toad on an old dusty road, losing ground like a bird in the wind.